If your living room looks like a tornado just passed through, you might need the 5 rule. Let's dive in. Meet Anna. Her apartment is, well, an explosion of chaos. Clothes, books, random stuff everywhere. She's feeling overwhelmed and doesn't know where to start. Mark enters the room. He's got a plan. Mark suggests the 5 rule. Haven't used it in 5 years. It's time to donate, sell, or toss it. Anna's intrigued but worried about sentimental items. Mark's advice? If you wouldn't take it with you on a move, it might be time to let it go. Next, they categorize. Clothes, books, random stuff. Everything gets a place. And the golden rule, give everything a home. Armed with these tips, Anna and Mark tackle the mess head-on. Fast forward through some determination and elbow grease and voila, a clean, organized apartment. Feeling inspired yet? Try the 5 rule today and transform your space. You've got this.